The ln and exp functions, logarithm and exponential, are used constantly in math, science, and engineering, but they also find a surprising number of uses in business and economics. The ln function is the natural logarithm function. It is defined only for positive numbers, so it returns an error if it is applied to 0 or a negative number. Here are some possibilities. Note the errors here for 0 and the negative number. The natural log is actually the log to the base e, the special number approximately equal to 2.718. You might be more familiar with log to the base 10. For example, the log to the base 10 of 1,000 is 3, because 10 raised to the third power is 1,000. The log to the base 10 is actually used much less frequently than the natural log, but it is available in Excel with a log 10 function. I'll illustrate it here. There is also a log function where you can supply the base. Here's an example. Two to the sixth power is 64. For most purposes, though, just remember that the n in ln stands for natural, and that's the one you typically use. The exp, or exponential function, takes one argument, an exponent, and raises the special number e, or approximately 2.718, to that exponent. For example, exp of 1 is e to the first power, that is, e itself. Note that the argument can be positive or negative. For example, exp of minus 2 is 1 divided by e squared. Here are some calculations. The ln and exp functions are inverses of one another. This means that if you start with a number, take ln of it, and then exp of the result, you are back to where you started. I will show this for the numbers where the log is defined. Alternatively, if you start with a number, take exp of it, and then ln of the result, you're back to where you started. I'll demonstrate this. Be aware that exp raises the number e to a power, so it can become very large very quickly. Here is e to the 15th power. Let's see what it would be if the exponent were 50. It is still defined, but it is a huge number.